Hi guys, welcome back again. So guys, today I have come to share with you this amazing recipe. Guys, we are gradually approaching the season that you will certainly make your woman to be happy. Do you want her to enjoy you throughout the December and beyond? Do you want to make her happy? You want to make her keep on coming back, requesting for more over and over again? Now, this recipe for you. If you don't have money to purchase my odogu drink, my odogu mixture, guys, now you can do this all by yourself. Someone like asking me, I have dropped like two different types of odogu natural recipe that you can use to enhance your odogu. You understand what I mean by your odogu? I mean your joystick. You want your joystick to be joining inside the honey pot. You want to knock her more longer. You want her to feel the sweetness. Like this particular drink, guys, it will enhance one. It will enhance your what? The size of your joystick, your odogu. Two, it will make your odogu to have a lot of natural water. Three, it will make your odogu to be long and fuller. This recipe. If you don't want to have all of those things surrounded in your odogu, in your joystick, please do not even go close to this particular drink I'm about to teach you on how to make. All right, but before I dive into that video, if today is the first time of seeing this amazing face here, you are highly welcome. And for my audience, thank you guys. Today's weather is not weathering at all, like Hamatan, and the weather is a little bit cloud. So please, if this video is appearing some kind of blurring and cloud, please pardon. It is the weather is not weathering at all on my skin. So now let's dive into the video. Now, one of the ingredients that you must get anywhere you are watching me from, whether you're watching me from US, you're watching me from Canada, from South Africa, anywhere, please let me know at the comment section. And if you don't have this ingredient, please let me know and we can ship it down to you. So what are the major ingredients in this particular recipe? You need almond seed. For those of you who don't know what almond seed is all about, please make use of your Google. Type the image of almond seed. They will bring it to you. That is the seed of almond seed. So you're gonna be needing 1.5 cup of almond seed. That is number one. Number two, you're gonna be needing two ripe, big, beautiful banana. Two ripe, two ripe, two ripe, beautiful, long banana. Okay, you're gonna be needing it. Then another ingredient that you'll be needing is what? Original honey. But in this original honey, you only need just 2 tablespoons of original honey. That is number three. Then number four, you're gonna be needing ripe sweet avocado pear. Ripe organic ripe avocado pear. Okay, organic ripe avocado pear. So how will you make all these ingredients? Now listen properly. If you have your woman, please beg her to make this drink. If you don't have your woman yet, please listen very good. And it's very simple and easy to make if you call it a job. If you really want to achieve all of these things that I said it works for earlier on this video. So how will you make this drink? Now, wash your almond seed properly and then soak it and add just 1 cup of water. Soak it for at least daybreak. Okay, so when you soak it the next day, all you have to do is to wash it just to wash it and keep aside. Now get your blender. Sorry guys, get your blender. Okay, now put that your soaked almond seed, add clean just add two cups of pure water, like clean water. Okay, normal water, room temperature water, right? So add just 2 cups of room temperature clean water, and then peel your banana, cut it a little, your ripe banana, add it there. Okay, now also peel your ripe avocado pear. Okay, cut it small do not put the seed of avocado, only the flesh of the avocado peel. Just peel it and remove the outer layer of the avocado and remove the seed of the avocado, and then put it inside the same blender. Okay, now that is what we're going to do. So blend this thing, blend this very, very well. Blend it. After blending it, you will see that it will turn into a very fine, beautiful smoothie. Okay, it will turn a very good, beautiful smoothie. All right, now pour it in your cup or anything that you like to take, your drink. Okay, it is good. In fact, this is going to become very thick. When I mean thick, it's going to become very, very thick. So now pour it in your cup, and then just fetch 2 spoons of honey, raw honey, organic raw honey. Put inside, turn it, and then this is how to take it. Early in the morning, you drink it. Then last thing in the night, you drink it. Guys, the work of this mixture is for you to have fuller joystick. It's for you to have long lasting knacking energy. Like if you want to last long in knacking for about 15 minutes, like this remedy works for it, guys. After doing this, come and thank me. Now it also works for what? For sweetness. Like it makes your joystick to pour water, very sweet water. Okay, I think that's number 4. It makes your body to calm. I don't know if you're getting me. It makes your body to calm. It makes you to have longer joystick. If you continue doing this, so that is when it will make your joystick to be what? Longer. So if you don't want to have longer joystick, you can just maybe you want to enhance your stamina in knacking. You can just be doing it maybe once or 2 times in a week. You understand? But if you want it to get fuller, your joystick to get fuller, and you want it to be long, just consider doing this 3 to 4 times every week. Guys, let me tell you, what I give you is 1 month. In fact, your joystick will double in size. But remember, if you're doubling your joystick in size, make sure that your wife or your girlfriend is capable of carrying it. Okay, so guys, I will end this video here. And if you want to ask me a question, please drop it at the comment section. Please, if you are interested in joining my WhatsApp channel, all you have to do is to click on the link which I'm going to drop at the comment section of this video. There I will be lecturing you so many things concerning this recipe, what we are doing here actually. Okay, and do not forget, you can as well book consultation with me one-on-one. All right, so guys, I will end this video here. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. I really love you all. Remain blessed. Bye for now.